I'm gonna be giving away a full colored 3D print. Yesterday, I popped this 3D printed egg in the incubator. And it looks like today, it's hatched. And it looks absolutely adorable. And this is the print that I'm gonna be giving away. And the winner will also get the egg that this Bulbasaur hatched from. Totally not cracked. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't know what the future of TikTok is. So in order to win, it is super easy to enter. All you have to do is go to the link over here in my bio. At the very top, I have included all of my active social media accounts. Kick and Twitch for streaming, as well as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. All you have to do is go follow as many of those as you can, because our future here isn't certain. Then like this video and comment done. Or let me know what you think of this little guy. My birthday was a couple days ago, and Saturday I'm gonna be leaving for vacation. I'll be gone for about a week, and when I get back, I'll choose a winner randomly from one of my social media accounts. So by following more, you actually get more chances to win. I've also included a little link if you'd like to give me a little birthday present. Just saying. When I return, I will post the video here of the winner, and then I will reach out to you, but the only thing I'll be asking for is a shipping address. There will not be a link, there will not be anything else. So if anyone else reaches out to you and they're asking for anything other than a shipping address, it's a scam. We've built something amazing here on this platform, and we've printed some pretty incredible things. And no matter what happens, I'm gonna keep printing, I'm gonna keep posting. But I would love nothing more than for you to be able to keep watching no matter where that happens. So good luck, and make sure to follow everywhere for more.